The Skoda Fabia 3, produced from 2014 to 2021, primarily uses R134A refrigerant in its air conditioning system. This hydrofluorocarbon is the standard coolant for this model. To confirm the refrigerant type, check for a sticker located under the hood or directly on the air conditioning compressor. This label will clearly indicate R134A along with other technical specifications. Identifying the correct refrigerant type is crucial for safe and effective servicing. Using an incompatible refrigerant can cause system damage, leaks, or compressor failure, and may void your vehicle's warranty. The air conditioning system in your Skoda Fabia 3 works best with the correct refrigerant charge, typically between 400 and 500 grams. Having too little refrigerant reduces the system's cooling efficiency and can damage the compressor over time. Too much refrigerant also reduces cooling efficiency and can cause significant damage to the compressor. Regular checks of the refrigerant amount help prevent these issues and avoid expensive compressor repairs. Pressure testing with manifold gauges is a key method for checking refrigerant levels in your Skoda Fabia 3's AC system. Connect the manifold gauges to the low pressure and high pressure ports on your AC system. At ambient temperatures of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, the low side pressure should read 1.5 to 2.5 bar, and the high side should be 12 to 15 bar. Pressures outside these ranges indicate potential issues like low refrigerant, leaks, or system problems. This method requires manifold gauges, understanding of AC systems, and proper safety precautions. Visual inspection is a key method for detecting AC refrigerant leaks. Start by examining the AC components for oil stains, which indicate where refrigerant is escaping. Next, check the condenser for cleanliness. A dirty condenser restricts airflow and reduces heat exchange efficiency, leading to poor AC performance. A clean, dry AC system is essential for efficient operation. Regular visual checks help maintain optimal performance and prevent costly repairs. The third method involves using an OBD2 scanner to check for AC system fault codes. These diagnostic tools plug into your vehicle's OBD2 port and can reveal hidden issues. First, locate the OBD2 port, usually under the driver's side dashboard. Plug in your OBD2 scanner securely. The port has multiple pins that connect to the vehicle's computer system. Once connected, turn on the ignition and navigate the scanner's menu to the AC or climate control diagnostics. The scanner will communicate with your Fabia 3's ECU to retrieve any stored fault codes. A common code is P0532, which signals low AC refrigerant pressure. This could indicate a leak or low charge. Refer to code lists like the one shown to understand the meaning and potential remedies. OBD2 scanners provide detailed diagnostic information, helping identify issues like sensor failures or electrical problems that aren't visible during a basic inspection. This method complements other checking techniques. If the refrigerant level is low, the AC system needs recovery and recharge to restore optimal cooling performance. First, evacuate the system using a vacuum pump. This removes the old refrigerant and any moisture to prepare for recharge. Next, recharge the system with the correct amount of R134A refrigerant. Always use a scale or charging kit to measure precisely and prevent overfilling, which can damage the compressor. Important safety note: refrigerant is under high pressure and can be toxic. Always use protective gear, handle with EPA-compliant equipment, and consider having a professional perform this procedure to avoid injury or environmental harm. This method ensures accurate refrigerant levels, preventing system damage and restoring optimal cooling performance for your Skoda Fabia 3. Refrigerant in your Fabia 3's AC system is stored under high pressure and can cause serious harm if not handled properly. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from potential refrigerant spray, and use protective gloves to avoid skin contact with the chemical. Never vent refrigerant directly into the air, as this harms the environment. Use certified recovery equipment to safely capture, store, and recycle the refrigerant. Refrigerant, like R134A, is a potent greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change when released. Following proper procedures protects both your health and the environment. R134A refrigerant is currently used in Skoda Fabia 3 systems. However, due to its high global warming potential of 1430, it faces phase-out under EU regulations like the F-gas regulation and Kigali Amendment. Phase bans begin in 2027 for new vehicle installations. Here is the molecular structure of R134A, known as HFC134A, or 1,1,1,2-tetrafluoroethane. It consists of 2 carbon atoms bonded to 4 fluorine and 2 hydrogen atoms. This structure contributes to its high global warming potential, driving regulatory restrictions. Environmental regulations are pushing for alternatives with lower global warming potential. Newer vehicles like the Fabia 4 use R1234YF, which has a GWP of only 4. Other options include R452A, also known as Opteon XL55. These refrigerants significantly reduce environmental impact. Retrofitting the Fabia 3's AC system to use R1234YF is generally not recommended. Compatibility issues with older compressors and seals can lead to failures, leaks, and voided warranties. Manufacturers advise sticking to OEM specifications for the Fabia 3. Looking ahead, by 2030, many regions may require R1234YF for all vehicles. Advances in AI diagnostics and the shift to electric vehicles with heat pumps are reducing reliance on traditional AC systems. Stay informed about future refrigerant options and servicing requirements as regulations continue to evolve.